This revolver looks normal until you realize what it actually does. This is the Medusa revolver, and it breaks one of the oldest rules in firearms. Revolvers usually fire one caliber. This one does not care. It can shoot .357 Magnum, .38 Special, 9mm, .380 ACP, .38 Super, and even a few rarer rounds from the same cylinder, with no adapters or swapping parts. The Medusa revolver was created in the mid-1990s, designed by Phillips Rodgers. It was built for chaos, when supply is uncertain and whatever ammo you find is the ammo you run. The secret is hidden inside the chamber. Instead of grabbing the bullet by the case rim like a normal revolver, the Medusa grips the projectile itself using spring-loaded fingers. If the bullet diameter fits, it locks. And if it locks, it fires. Sounds very simple, but it is not. It never went mainstream because it was too complex and too expensive to make.